Welcome to our financial news segment. Here are the latest updates from the corporate world. Tata Consultancy Services Limited has set the stage with a tantalizing final dividend of 28 rupees. Investors are on the edge of their seats as they eagerly await this generous payout. Hindustan Unilever Limited is about to unveil its final dividend on the 24th of April. Will it be a game changer for shareholders? The anticipation is palpable. Cummins India Limited is gearing up to drop a bombshell with its recommendation of a final dividend on the 29th of May. What surprises await investors in this power-packed announcement? Supreme Industries Limited will also consider recommending a dividend on the 26th of April. Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services Limited will discuss the recommendation of a dividend on the 23rd of April. Embassy Office Parks REIT has set a record date for considering distribution to unit holders on the 25th of April. Aster DM Healthcare Limited has left investors on tenterhooks with its special dividend of 118 rupees. With the decision to forego an interim dividend, what strategic moves lie ahead for this healthcare giant? ICICI Securities Limited is plotting a strategic move with the proposal of declaring an interim dividend on the 18th of April. Will this financial maneuver set the stage for future gains? Supreme Petrochem Limited will consider and recommend a final dividend on the 24th of April. Elantis Beck India Limited will declare a dividend of 5 rupees on the 7th of May. Mahindra Logistics Limited will consider recommending a final dividend on the 22nd of April. Some Distilleries and Breweries Limited will consider and approve a final dividend on the 25th of April. Nelco Limited will recommend a dividend on the 23rd of April. Punjab Chemicals and Crop Protection Limited will consider recommending a final dividend on the 6th of May. GHCL Textiles Limited will consider and recommend a dividend on the 6th of May. Fortis Mela Hospitals Limited has sent shockwaves through the market with its approval of an interim dividend of 40 rupees. Investors are scrambling to position themselves before the record date on the 23rd of April. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited is making waves with its final dividend of 9 rupees and a daring proposal of buyback up to 164.65 crore. Will this bold move pay off handsomely for shareholders? Vantage Knowledge Academy Limited will consider stock split and raising of funds through various ways, including rights issue, rescheduled on the 17th of April. Bajarata Chemicals and Industries Limited has set a record date for stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees in the ratio of 1:10 on the 2nd of May. IIFL Finance Limited is stirring up excitement with its upcoming discussions on various matters related to the rights issue on the 17th of April. Will this financial juggernaut unveil a masterstroke to propel its growth trajectory? Bandari Hosiery Exports Limited has approved a rights issue for long-term working capital and debt reduction for an amount aggregating up to 48 crore. The record date is to be fixed. Markabens Ventures Limited has corrected the announcement of the last date of renunciation of the rights issue. The correct last date for renunciation is the 16th of April. VMS Industries Limited has announced a rights issue up to 28 crore at an issue price of 35 rupees in the ratio 16:33. The record date will be announced in due course. Aksha Spintex Limited has approved raising of funds through a rights issue for 49 crore. The record date will be notified subsequently. HUL Decor Limited has announced a rights issue at an issue price of 10 rupees in the ratio 1:2 with the issue period from the 7th of May to the 28th of May. The record date is the 19th of April. Stay tuned for more updates on corporate dividends and financial decisions. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts on the comment section. And stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.